Hi guys, today's video is dedicated on how to install your signature for Apple email account. So here you can see that we are on the dashboard of our website MySignature.io, and we've created one signature that we want to proceed with. Under the preview of the signature, you will see install button that we need to click, and we are on a new page. Here you can see the list of email providers that you can work with. In our case, that is Apple email. Once we click that icon on the top, we can see the particular instructions for our email provider. Here will be also a video, otherwise just follow my instructions. On the top right, you can see the signature preview. In case something is not working out for you, you can go back to the editor. However, I'm pretty happy with the result I've got so far. So I'm ready to copy the signature to clipboard. You will have the successful pop-up window on the top right, and then we are ready to go to Apple Mail application. Once we are here, we need to click on Mail button on the top left of your screen and go to Settings. Once we are here on the top menu, we need to choose Signatures, which is the fourth button from your right. Here we choose the account we want to create signature for. In my case, that is iCloud, and then click on plus icon. Here you can name your signature as you wish. On the top right, we need to delete everything we have, and uncheck always match my default message font. Once we unmatch that, we are ready to paste the signature that we've created beforehand and close the settings. After that, we can compose a new email, and you will see the signature is already installed in there. I really hope it was a useful video for you. In case you run into any problems, please feel free to contact our support team. They will be always there to help you out. And thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.